Hey everyone, and welcome back to another quick tech how-to video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to rotate a video on an iPhone. First, you're going to go to the photo gallery and you're going to pick a video that you'd like to rotate or edit or any sort of thing like that. For this one, I'm going to click this. There should be an edit button on the top right. You're going to click that. From here, it's going to give you 4 options on the bottom. Now, the first one is to trim it to whatever size you'd like. The second one is exposure, sharpness, just to make the video look more visibly appealing. Third one is sort of the same thing. It's all filters. So again, it just improves the saturation and the quality of the video. And the last one is the one you want. It is where we can sort of crop the outsides, move it around, flip it, all kinds of stuff. So what you want to do to rotate this video is you're going to go on the top left and you're going to hit the square with the arrow, and that is going to rotate it this way. Obviously, it's not supposed to be this way, but if you wanted to for a specific reason, there you go. Or if you had a horizontal video that you wanted to make vertical, it's the same exact thing. You just click this. You can keep clicking it till you get it to the right rotation that you wanted, and then once you have it, you're just gonna hit done, and there it is. It stays like that, and you can do whatever you'd like with it. But also another way is if you physically rotate your phone when watching this video horizontally, it will rotate it, but it won't stay like that obviously until you rotate it back. But that's how to rotate videos on an iPhone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below.